private lanai directly on the water. One of the best views and best maintained condos in Mainsail. Completely remodeled kitchen and bathroom cabinets with Thomasville paneled front cabinetry and soft close drawers. Granite countertops in kitchen and bathrooms. Carpet in bedrooms installed 2016. Newer HVAC system, stainless steel washer and dryer, BOSCH dishwasher, smooth top GE stove. Remote-controlled armor screen hurricane shades, lanai cage, and screens installed 2016, for easy storm prep or privacy. Storm door protected lanai utility room with shelving storage. Mainsail III Association is now with a new roof, soffit, and fascia.